How much should you actually spend on a weeder's corkscrew? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the pricey ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Chef Craft Waiter's Corkscrew. The Chef Craft Select Waiter's Corkscrew. Priced at just $5.17. This little tool caught my attention with its simple yet effective design. If you want a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this corkscrew is its built-in foil cutter and bottle opener, making it a handy all-in-one tool for any wine lover. Measuring just 5 inches, it's compact and easy to store, which is perfect if you're short on space. The 2-step construction is designed for easy cork extraction, which means you won't be struggling to pop that bottle open. Plus, the sharp screw cuts right through cork effortlessly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're often entertaining or just enjoying a glass after work, you want something reliable and easy to use. Now, some people complained about the durability, saying it might bend after several uses. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning to open dozens of bottles every week, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Honestly, for casual use, it holds up pretty well. This corkscrew is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that won't let you down on special occasions. Skip this one if you're a heavy user looking for something more robust. Overall, it's a solid value for the price. Now, if the Chef Craft's durability concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kit Home Professional Corkscrew Set. The Kit Home Professional Waiter Corkscrew Set, priced at $9.99. This caught my eye because it comes in a set of 4, making it a great value. If you want something that combines functionality and durability, this is worth a serious look. The Kit Home Corkscrew isn't just pretty, it's also built to last with heavy-duty stainless steel hinges. It handles all types of corks, even the tricky ones. That's huge if you've ever struggled with older or fragile corks. With an integrated wine opener, beer opener, and foil cutter, you'll have everything you need in one tool. At 90 grams, it's sturdy without being heavy, and the compact design makes it easy to carry on the go. Here's why that matters. Whether you're a bartender or just enjoy wine at home, having a reliable tool can save you time and frustration. Now, some might say that the design feels a bit bulky compared to others. Here's the thing. If you need something that won't bend under pressure, you might prefer this sturdier option despite its weight. This set is perfect for you if you often entertain or work in a restaurant environment. Skip this if you want something ultra light and compact for travel. Honestly, the value here is fantastic. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, HYZ 2-Pack Corkscrew, Black. Let's look at the HYZ 2-Pack Wine Opener, priced at $8.99. What grabbed my attention here is the double hinge design, which makes cork removal a breeze. If you want a corkscrew that combines ease of use and durability, this is worth a serious look. Made from 420 stainless steel, this corkscrew is built to withstand years of use without bending or breaking. The compact design fits perfectly in your palm, making it ideal for travel or picnics. Plus, it includes a built-in foil cutter and bottle cap opener, so you have everything you need in one tool. Here's why this matters for you. If you enjoy wine while traveling, you want something that's not only functional, but also easy to carry. Now, some users pointed out that the packaging could be better. Here's the thing though, once you get past the packaging, the product itself is fantastic and performs beautifully. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a travel-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you prefer a more decorative design. Overall, you're getting a solid deal with this pack. Now, if the previous corkscrew's packaging concerned you, wait until you see the next one that really stands out. Product number 4, HYZ 2-Pack Corkscrew, but in pink. Also priced at $8.99, it offers the same reliable functionality with a fun twist. If you want a corkscrew that makes a statement, this is worth a serious look. Just like its black counterpart, this corkscrew features a double hinge design for effortless cork removal. The stainless steel construction ensures it will last, while the compact size makes it perfect for outings. The addition of a foil cutter and bottle opener means you have all you need in one sleek tool. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're at a picnic or a wine night with friends, being able to pop bottles easily is a huge win. However, some folks mentioned they weren't fans of the color choice. But here's the thing. If you love a fun, vibrant look, then this is a fantastic option that stands out. This is perfect for you if you want something that's both practical and stylish. Skip this one if you prefer traditional colors. Honestly, it's a great value for a fun design. Now, if the color wasn't your thing, the next product brings a whole new level of sophistication.
Product number 5, Wino Wine Key, priced at $12.99. This one really caught my eye with its claims of being able to open 1,000,000 bottles. If you want something designed for serious wine lovers, this is worth a serious look. The double hinge design is fantastic for removing stubborn corks with ease, while the sharp curved foil cutter makes slicing through foil quick and clean. The grooved corkscrew worm eliminates annoying squeaking, which is something that surprised me. It's also versatile enough to double as a bottle opener for beers. Here's why that matters. If you're hosting a party or just enjoying a nice evening, having a reliable tool that works smoothly is essential. That said, some reviews mentioned it can be a bit pricier compared to others. Here's the thing though, with its durability and ease of use, it's likely to be the last corkscrew you'll need to buy, which could save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you take your wine seriously and want something that looks and performs great. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic opener. Overall, it offers amazing value for the quality. To wrap it all up, from the budget-friendly chefcraft to the durable Wino Wine Key, each corkscrew has its own strengths. Whether you're a casual drinker or a serious sommelier, there's something here for everyone.
To wrap it all up, from the budget-friendly chefcraft to the durable Wino Wine Key, each corkscrew has its own strengths. Whether you're a casual drinker or a serious sommelier, there's something here for everyone. You'll want to choose based on your specific needs, whether it's portability, durability, or style.